Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fimran Batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
And Enzo Gondola Batch 2010, UP Diliman. Let's go!
Ito na, ito na. Nagkakaliwanag na ang ating kadiliman.
Finally, after 13 games
13 games. After 13 games natin, uh,
natin,
we get to secure another twice to beat advantage. After beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles 79 to 75.
yan,
UP Fighting Maroons getting their 10th 10th
10th win.
win in 13 games. Okay, so napagod ako kakapanood ng game na yun. Sa'yo muna.
Nakapagod yung game.
Anong ano mo doon? Anong take mo watching that game?
Ah, ang saya niya panoorin. So siyang very
Nung dulo.
emotional roller
Nung dulo.
coaster. Yun nga eh. Kasi yung simula, parang sabi ko, shit, ano ba to? Ateneo 2018 ba to? Yung napapanood natin. Kasi bakit ganito yung nangyayari? Pero simula lang yun, di ba? Ah, parang nag-step up lahat ng players natin eh.
Oo,
'Di ba? Kompleto from the bigs to Jerry,
Jerry. Si Terence
si
din.
Terence, si Rayland, si Jacob. Ang daming,
Yep.
kumbaga yung contribution ng galing from everywhere. Na meron silang tig to 2 minutes of fame lahat.
Yes, eh.
So, ngayon.
Mhm.
Kaya ako sa inyo panoorin kasi ang daming nag-contribute eh dun sa panalo.
Yes. Yes, a very hard fought win. Grabe, grabe talaga. Kasi unlike yung round 1 match up against Ateneo. Hindi pala. Kahit pala nung round 1, medyo buena sila nung una. So, they were in the game early on nung round 1. And all the more this round 2 match up. Sobrang buenas nung Ateneo nung simula. Uh, paired with the horrendous field goal shooting ng UP. No?
Oo. Kaya nga 7 points lang tayo ng first quarter.
We finished the quarter 21-7. And syempre sinilip ko na yung stats nung end of the first quarter at check this field goal percentage. Ateneo was shooting 60% compared to
Ooh,
UP's 18%.
ang first quarter.
The first quarter, Ateneo shot 9 of 15 compared to UP's 3 of 16. So sobrang
Eh
sama
naman
nun.
pala.
Sobrang sama nun.
Masama talaga. Kasi ang daming na-miss na nun eh,
Sa loob.
inside.
Oh,
'Di ba?
yan.
Puro sa loob yung miss nun eh. Kaya masakit nung una.
Ang hirap. Kita mong, ito sa game na to, kita mo talaga na ang hirap maghabol. Classic, ano eh, classic come from behind win. Kaya lang, yun nga, hindi mo gugustuhin humabol ng ganong kalaking lead.
Oo naman.
Well, sobrang hirap niyang, ma-overcome.
Kaya rin maganda yung panalo eh. Kasi yun nga, ang hirap i-overcome ng ganun. Pero nagawa pa rin nila.
Nagawa. Oo, oo. So, kumbaga, in terms of, adjustment pa, in terms of bouncing back, itong game na to, nakita natin na yung team has the ability to um, adjust and overcome a challenge within a game,
Oo.
which
Tama.
other seasons, aside from the 87 championship, I believe, wala yun. So, kita naman natin, this whole season at that. We started off at 0-2. Now we are at 10-3. So, this season, we learned so much from this team. A team without a JD Kagulangan, a team without a Malik or a QMB. And now, heading into the late stages, nakakita pa rin tayo ng resulta. So, again, we're headed towards the right direction and yun nga, hope we want to peak at the right time. So, we're getting the wins that we need heading into the second round. Ito yung mga tinitingnan natin na kailangan nating makuha, especially coming off three losses nung first round. So, ito tayo ngayon, getting I believe two big wins after from that Adamson game. Itong Ateneo game naman. Getting our wins in the bag, securing twice to beat, and placing ourselves in an okay position heading into the Final Four. So, okay tayo.
Oo eh. Saka maganda rin na nanalo tayo ngayon despite Harold Alarcon one of
Oo.
nine shooting.
Struggle.
Struggle eh, 8 points lang siya compared sa previous ilang games na lagi siyang approaching 20 points. Na
Mm.
siya yung nagke-create ng momentum sa atin. Siya yung pumapatay ng sunog sa kalaban. Ngayon wala siya eh. Hindi siya, wala, parang hindi siya effective ngayon sa
Scoring,
laro
oh.
niya.
Sa scoring.
Scoring.
So,
Kahit sa playmaking eh, parang
oh,
hindi rin siya nagpakita doon masyado eh. So, despite that, 'di ba?
may ibang
'Yun,
nag-step up,
daming ibang
diba?
nag-step up,
Mm.
'di ba? So, okay din to na parang confidence booster para sa other guys natin heading into the final four. Kasi, 'yun, si Sean Arthur, ang ganda na naman ng laro kanina.
Yes,
Si
yes,
Jerry, 'di ba?
yes.
Nag
Francis.
gumawa talaga ng lahat sila si Francis, si Gani,
Yep.
si Jacob. So, parang yun nga, lahat sila meron silang sarili-sariling moments na pwedeng maging momentum builder para sa kanila personally heading into the final four.
Yes. So, talagang we are headed towards the right direction. Yun nga, may mga players na in the previous games na tumataas ang expectations
Hmm.
at that, but hindi man nila ma-meet yun in a game. Meron namang ibang sasalo nun. And that what makes that's what makes a team deep. That's what makes a championship team at that. Kaya kaya to. Kahit ako nung medyo nakita kong malaki na yung lead nung Ateneo, hinihintay ko lang kung kailan magkakaroon ng run. Hinihintay ko lang kung
Oo.
kailan tayo makakuha ng momentum natin and actually get the lead. And lo and behold, yun nga, nangyari yun. Uh, we got to make stops and eventually got our buckets in. Okay, so yun, after the first quarter, yun nga, uh, the usual na hirap tayo facing a zone defense. So I think that contributed to to our struggles offensively. Aside from the missed layups or inside chances, I think that's a big contributor to what slowed us down, especially nung simula, first half. So kasi nung quarter, uh, tuloy pa rin yung Ateneo sa hot start nila. They were still making baskets. Tapos buti sa atin kahit papaano merong may buhay kasi there were big three-pointers by Ray Remogat, dalawa pa, Rayland. Tapos ito yung kay Sean Alter na put back end one, yung na-hype siya.
Oh.
So, yung mga
Yung
play na
stretch
gano'n, ha? Yun yung,
yung, di ba yung stretch na siya yung lumitaw,
yes.
alter.
So, yun yung paggana sa atin. That kept us in the
Oh,
game in the second quarter. Kasi at halftime, the score was 29 for UP, 38, tama ba to? Oh, 38
third.
for Ateneo. So 9-point lead heading into halftime. And at halftime stats show na sa first half pa lang, UP had already 8 turnovers compared to Ateneo's 3. Field goal percentage 44 for Ateneo, 31 for UP. Then bench points. To. Points of turnovers. Kasi nga, we had already 8. Ateneo made 12 points off of those 8 turnovers ng UP. So, talagang Ateneo dominated that first half. And buti lang, iba na yung nangyari nung second half. So, anything else na napansin mo nung first half na yun? Meron pa bang ibang some special na ginagawa natin Ateneo? Pa kaya nahirapan tayo or
Ibang special na, parang wala naman.
hindi no?
Or ano eh, it's more, parang kasalanan ng UP kung ba't naging ganun eh. Kasi nga, yun, simula, missed layups na, alam mo yun, hindi naman ganun ka-contested yung mga na-miss nila. Easy,
Mhm.
easy shots na hindi nila napasok. Pero the fact na nakakuha sila ng ganong opportunities, ganun ka daling opportunities, ibig sabihin, kaya nila yung depensa ng Ateneo eh. Alam
Yep.
nila kung paano mananavigate yung pinapakita sa kanila. Kaya nung second quarter, pumapasok na yun. Eventually, pumasok naman yung mga tira nila
Mm.
na medyo similar din naman yung first quarter, yung looks na nakukuha nila.
Yep.
Pero this time, pumasok na. So, I guess meron ding patience eh on the part of UP na hindi sila nagbago masyado ng strategy kahit na lumaki yung deficit nila. Kasi nga, hindi lang sumushoot eh. Hindi lang pumapasok yung tira nila. Kaya sila naghahabol. Pero gusto nila yung attempts, yung looks na nakuha nila. So, yun, tinuloy lang nila.
And actually to prove that, in the second quarter, UP already outscored Ateneo 22-17.
Hmm.
So, yun, nakaka-basket na. And kahit pa paano, we were making stops already. Kaya bumaba na yung lamang kahit pa paano. Kasi biggest lead ng Ateneo was 23-7. That's early in the second quarter. That's 16 points. And we overcame that, which is good. But yun nga, again, if we start off slow, ganito yung nagiging tendency. Kasi if you pair a slow start natin with a Buenas team na kalaban, talaga lolobo
Mahirap
yung
yun.
ano na ganito. So,
Oh.
ang hirap. Sobrang hirap nun.
Buti na lang din na naghabol tayo simula pa lang. Kasi
Oo.
daming time umabol. Compared sa ako, nangyari, nag 16-point lead sila nung third quarter, kunyari. Wala ka ng time masyado nun eh. I mean, against
Mm.
a team coached by Tab Baldwin na, alam mo yun, disiplinado. Mahirapang habulin yun. Buti lang, nangyari siya no first quarter. So, we had time to chip away. Di ba?
Yep.
Yun.
Ito
Yun na rin.
pala isa ko napansin. Heading into the third quarter din. Ang daming instance na nagre-resort yung offense natin to one-on-ones. Ewan ko napansin mo yun. To prove yung again,
Oo.
yung kay Harold, 'di ba? Yung kay Harold isang isang ano yun, isang factor yun na nagre-resort to one-on-one yung chances niya and even kay Terence minsan. Kaya parang naging stagnant yung opensa natin early on. So, kasi nung chinek ko rin yung first quarter stats, Ateneo already had 4 assists. Tapos tayo 1 lang. Pero yung assist count na yun could have been higher had we made those, yun nga, yung mga inside chances that we had nung first quarter. So, and I think, well, eventually, nung nakakashoot na si Jerry nung late in the game, kung titingnan mo, it's usually a two-man game dun kay, with a big, with usually Gani and Jerry, for his pull-ups. Ang difference lang, yung kay Jerry, sumushoot na. Unlike how it
Oh.
was nung first half, na medyo kanya-kanya talaga. So, yun nga, na-note ko dito na nung third quarter or second half, we already had better offense compared to the first half. We also got a good run here after that Sean Alter slam dunk over La Adili. Tapos, after nun, Jacob Baila with a back-to-back, with back-to-back baskets. Isang drive ba yun? Isa sa loob eh. Tapos naka-steal si Terence. Then end one si Jacob ulit. Dun ata natin nakuha yung lead, if I'm not mistaken. Or, oo. So, that was the turning point of the game, I believe. That led the momentum to UP side. Kaya,
Mm.
nung nangyari yun, ito na, we were really back in the game already. Kasi nung fourth, si Francis Duruco naman had his own putback jam after a steal. Tapos yung na-miss ni Jerry yung layup. Tapos biglang fast break, tapos na-miss yung na-miss yung layup. Then, andun naman si Ladi sa ilalim niya. Sinalpakan niya. And, ang key nung ang key nung fourth quarter was, we were able to make stops early in that quarter. So,
Mm.
I,
Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung production natin.
oo.
At the same time, yung Ateneo wala. So,
Oo, doon naman sila lumamig.
parang doon sila lumamig. So, yun yung naging naging combo. Tayo parang nagsimula yung fourth. Tayo naman yung buenas. Ateneo yung hindi gumagawa. Baliktad nung first quarter. So,
Yep.
kaya lalo tayo humabol. Eventually lumamang and nag-build ng lead. Yung biggest lead natin.
8.
8 points.
Mm.
Kaya naging 8 point lead tayo dun. Ganun yung turn of events. So parang siyang parang tale of two halves,
More or less.
two
So,
quarters.
oo.
First tsaka fourth yung naging deciding quarters dito. Yun.
So, uh, to prove that, nagulat din ako. In the fourth quarter, we actually had 31 points
Yan.
versus Ateneo's 21. So, again, ang dami nun. In a quarter, I don't think we've scored that many in one quarter this season. Kasi nga, naghahabol tayo the whole game, in this game. Then we were able to come up with a significant lead late in the game, which was very, very crucial. So, buti nagkaroon yun. In the fourth, Jerry had his own run with his mid-range baskets. Si Francis had a putback and one. Harold si Harold nakashoot na no fourth quarter. He was able to secure a mid-range, a big mid-range shot.
Nag-iisa niyang field goal for today.
Talagang struggle yun. But then it came at the right time. So,
Oh,
okay pa rin yun, Harold, di
okay,
ba?
okay na din. Okay na din.
Tapos, lastly, a big three by Jerry. Yan yung, yun na talaga yung nagbigay sa atin ng comfortable lead. Before, we got into tricky free throw situations late in the game. Na eventually, na-pull off naman natin, no? So, pero munti na tayo dun. Kasi nga, si Ladi naka 3 points pa late in the game for some weird reason.
Ano
Pero,
pa sila? Nagkabuhay pa no? Nag 2 points eh. Nag 2 point
oh,
lead ng ilang seconds. Pero at least na-shoot naman natin, nakashoot tayo enough free throws. to make the lead somehow comfortable.
Oo, si Rayland, ganyan, si Rayland. Charot yung Rayland. Tapos, eto, hindi ko napansin ko si Janjan pala pinasok. Napansin mo bang pinasok si Janjan?
Pinasok siya nung ano, kailan ba to?
First half,
Second quarter din. Parang second quarter yun.
gitna, ganun.
Oo, meron siyang parang teardrop na attempt.
Naka-attempt siya.
Meron siyang
Late
isang
in the
attempt.
second quarter ba to? O, di ko napansin si Janjan.
Se second
Gitna.
ba yun? Siguro mga gitna. Simula or
Okay.
gitna ng second. Mga ganun.
Ito dito, he played 1.5 minutes. So pakonting paramdam lang. So, Janjan, sana okay ka na. Namimiss ka na ng opensa natin. Namimiss ka na ng depensa natin. Hope to see you soon. Sana okay yung recovery mo. Um, Yun. You see how the past two games yun nga, Jerry and Francis Noruka have been our top scorers for this team. Jerry finishing with 18 points, 1 of 3 from downtown, 7 of 11 from the field, 3 of 4 from free throws. Francis Noruka finishing with 17, um 5 of 7 from the free throw line. 15 rebounds for Francis,
Bu-
8 offensive, 7 defensive, 2 steals, 4 blocks. Again, an impressive outing ni Francis, just like how he did nung round 1 game against Ateneo. So, ay, paulit-ulit tayo. This is what we need from Francis Noruka on a daily basis. Uh, so, gaano ka laki yung impact ni Noruka sa atin this game na napansin mo?
Malaki. Ang laki kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung assist totals natin ang baba. 12 lang. 12 assists lang tayo for the game. Kasi ang dami nating second chance
Yan.
points.
Mm.
Meron tayong 23 second chance points. Kasi ang dami natin offensive
Yep,
rebounds
yep.
na nakuha. Ang dami nun si Francis. Yun nga, yung bigs natin. Francis, si Sean, si Gani. Yung mga puro second chance points tayo.
That's good.
Siyempre walang assist. Malamang. Kasi
Oo.
deep putback. Puro ganun. Na okay din kasi it shows hustle on the part of the team. Kumbaga, lumalaban sila sa rebounding. Which is yun naman talaga hinahanap natin, di ba? From the start. Lumaban sila sa rebound. And ngayon sa parang ito yung best performance natin, I guess, sa offensive rebounding.
Oo.
Kasi
Good. Yeah.
meron tayo 17 offensive rebound, 23 second chance point. Kaya ang daming nagawa ni Sean Alter, ni
Yes.
Franz.
Si Gani
Puro
din actually. Hindi pala. Well, I believe Gani Stevens is 6 points. Laking bagay din sa atin to. Kasi timely din yung ano niya. And 3 offensive rebounds din siya. So, tama. Yung sinasabi ni Enzo. Actually, total rebounds natin, 51 as a team compared to Ateneo's 37. Yung 51 na to, parang tingin ko ito yung highest in the season. Kasi usually, natatapos tayo sa mga 40, 30, ganyan. Pero yung 51, parang ngayon ko lang nakita to. If I'm not mistaken.
Parang ngayon lang tayo naging clear-cut
Dominant.
panalo sa rebounding
Rebounding.
battle. Di ba?
So, okay yun. Well, syempre, nung first half, hindi tayo nakaka-rebound masyado kasi puro shoot yung kalaban. Pero eventually, we were able to get our misses. We were able to secure stops. Kaya umangat yung rebound count natin. So again, another emphasis, if we control the rebounds for a game, more or less we get the result of a win in that game. Next,
Pinasok pala si Felicilda, pinasok pala mga late second quarter.
okay. Okay, kaya pala. Nasa labas ako nun, kaya hindi ko napansin. Okay. Ayun, so we got significant minutes from Jacob Baila. Siya pala yung pinaka matagal na naglaro today with 28 minutes, finishing with 8 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 block. Shout out to you, Jacob, doing the dirty work again.
Oh,
Plus
Jacob.
scoring. Wala. Yun. Lumabas sa stat sheet yung impact niya. Hindi ko na kailangan explain. Again, Sean Alter, as we mentioned, 11 minutes, 11 big minutes for Sean, finishing with 7 points, 4 rebounds, 1 block. So,
And
ito
one
naman,
big dunk.
grabe yun. Grabe
Ano
yun.
dunk?
Usually pag ganun, ano lang eh, no? Hindi mo paplanuhin dumang talaga eh. Pero,
Kaya niya
yun
eh.
talaga yung intention niya eh.
Oh, kaya niyang, kasi open yung lane. Kayang-kaya niyang gawin yun talaga every game. Kung gugustuhin niya.
Teka, Sean Alter ang X factor mo, di ba? Tama ba?
Oo, oo.
What can
Kaya
we,
nga ito,
anong ano natin, the past few games, yung impact ni Sean Alter, gaano kalaki sa UP?
ano siya eh. Kasi hindi siya nabababad tulad
Mm,
nila Francis, ni Gani. Kumbaga, ano siya eh, past few games, nagiging parang spark plug siya off the bench.
yep.
Kasi gumagawa na siya impact eh. Ilang games na to na productive siya sa
Oo.
short time na he was on the floor, na nakakuha siya ng ilang baskets in a row, diba? Ilang possessions na dire-diretso makakuha siyang points na hindi natin nakikita yung at the start of the season. Kung ganito lang talaga yun, kung mga recent games, doon siya lumalabas. And ang laking impact nung kasi hindi parang mababawasan yung load nila Francis, ni
Yes.
Gani, na
Oo.
sila yung babad. Pero alam ngayon parang alam na natin na pag pwede sila umupo, pasok na si Sean Alter, and gagawa pa rin siya. Kumbaga the big man core would still be productive. So pagbalik nila Francis, nila Gani, ano pa rin? Kumbaga, yung momentum sa labanan ng mga bigs, parang nasa UP pa rin.
Yes.
Yun yung
Oo.
nag impact niya. Ayun.
Again, having a consistent Sean Alter like this really does wonders for our team. And kita naman in this game and in the other games lately. So, pag tinuloy-tuloy ni Sean to, would be in good hands. So, Sean, shout out to you. Hope you continue keeping up this performance kasi sobrang, I mean, how could you not notice it? Kahit siya na hype after making big plays. So,
Oo.
sobrang okay yan sa atin.
Kailangan natin yung energy of the bench.
Yun. Oo, yun. Kasi, usually, ilan minutes ni Francis? 25 minutes for Francis Nuruka. Gani Stevens na 23. So, yung mga singit-singit nun, si Sean ang papasok. Sean, Mark, Migs. If they provide significant minutes off the bench, that's really gonna help us, especially if we're going up against top teams, yung mga UST, Lasal, NU. Laking bagay nun. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy lang sila. Again, Riri Mogat kept us in the game when we were struggling. And again, Rayland doing those crucial free throws. Terence, Mark, Migs, Diyan, diyan. So, mga hindi naglaro today, Choi Palanga, LA Josh,
Chico.
Chico, yun. Oo, so, like the Adamson game na pag-usapan niya namin ni Lance na yung rotation medyo humihigpit na. But despite that, kita pa rin natin na yung mga players of the bench, hindi mo alam kung sino yung magpuputok in any given game. So, we just have to watch out kung sino. If the starters are struggling, one way or another, may mag-step up from the bench. Kaya, uh, would still be in good hands. So, pero syempre, kailangan nating iwasan pa rin yung slow start. Mahirap pa rin yun na masanay tayo na ganun. Ah,
Kasi di mo alam eh. Di mo alam kung gano'ng ka-slow, kung gano'ng tatagal yung pagiging slow ng start na yun.
mm.
Tsaka
So,
hindi mo rin alam kung kailan biglang puputok yung kalaban nyo. So, iwasan mo na. Kasi
mahirap yun.
yun yung ano eh, pag shooting yourself in the foot na yun. Di ba?
Oo.
Pagka simula mo na masama.
Yeah. 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 On Ateneo side, top scorer was Jared Bahay, surprisingly, with 21. Laddie had his uh, own breakout game after how many games of struggling, actually, with 17, finishing with 17. Tuano had 10. Espinosa had 8. Adili had 7. Escobar only finishing with 6. Espina, 4. Lazaro with 2. So, yun nga. Most of the scoring happened nung first half. Then Jared Bahay took over throughout the game. And yeah, that's Ateneo. So again, we are now locked with the twice to beat advantage. Lowest we could go would be number. Tingnan natin anong mangyari this weekend kung umabot tayo sa 1. Kung sino ba ang team na papasok sa 3 at 4. Kasi ang dami pa pwede
Hmm.
mangyari.
Hindi pa sure eh. Parang, ano ba, kahit FTU ba, ano ba,
Pasok
in
pa.
play pa sila.
Oo.
So, wala pa eh. Hindi, parang, inisip ko ano bang gusto natin mangyari sa
Yun nga eh.
weekend. Gusto natin mag-1, gusto natin mag-2. Kaso hindi pa natin masabi kasi wala pang sure eh. Hindi pa, kahit yung number 3, hindi pa locked in.
Mhm.
So, siguro after Sunday pa natin malalaman kung sino bang
Ano ba talaga?
pipili natin. Sino bang susuportahan natin in the next 3 days, next 3 game days to close out the season, the eliminations.
Kasi limang team ang in the running for the last final four spots.
Hmm.
Lahat yung limang team yun, posibleng mag 7-7 sila lahat at the end of the eliminations.
Ooh.
So pag yung mangyari yun, hindi ko alam paano gagawin nila. So, yun ang ano natin yan. I don't think we've seen this type of close uh race ever before.
Usually, ano lang yan eh. At this point, parang
Dalawa, tatlo lang eh, no?
tatlo yung in contention pa. Pero yung lima, parang,
Di ba?
hindi, ano yan, unheard of yun.
Paano mo
Tapos lahat
pipiliin?
sila may chance mag 7-7. Ano gagawin mo? Di ba? Ano gagawin paano yung tiebreaker nun? Gulo nun.
Buti na lang tayo, comfortable na tayo at least sa twice to beat, sa Final Four. Hayaan natin silang magkagulo-gulo dun sa baba. And we just have to secure our momentum heading to the Final Four. Kasi how we see it, nagkakaroon na parang break. Kasi we only have one game left. Lasal yun on Saturday.
Ah,
So, if ever magsimula ang Final Four the following week, may isang week tayong pahinga. Pero, okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. Ah,
sige
ah,
natin. Kasi kung may tie breaker,
oo, baka mausog
may
pa.
game pa yun, di ba?
Oo, baka mausog pa
So,
ulit.
baka yung following week, so November
December
30
na.
siguro.
Oo, oo, oo.
Kasi 29 yung
Yung,
cheer dance.
cheer dun sa 29.
Parang
Okay.
nakita ko 29. So, malamang kung magkaka-games pa nun, na tiebreaker, 30 siguro.
Oo,
O
Sunday.
December 3.
So,
So,
matatenga
medyo
tayo.
matagal yung break.
Pero
So, ano
okay naman
gagawin natin sa
siguro.
Saturday?
Ano, ano, no?
Ano gagawin natin sa Saturday? Kailangan ba makalo tayo sa Lasal?
Sana magamit lang yung
Okay.
ano yun. Yung,
Kasi yung Lasal, kailangan na manalo. Pero
yeah.
yung UP, kailangan lang mag-exercise.
Oo nga, oo nga, no? Teka, oo nga, no? Gagawin kayang, i-go kaya nila na ipupush kaya nila na mag number one, knowing na hindi pa alam, knowing na we don't know kung sino matatapat natin if we do go number one. Comment down below what you guys think. Should the UP Fighting Bruins push for another win this UAP Season 88? Or relax na tayo? Kasi either way, hindi natin alam kung sino makatapat natin eh. So parang hindi ka pa makapag-strategize one way or another. Ang tingin nyo?
Pero parang UST yung ano, di ba? UST yung
Solo third sila
lam-
ngayon.
pinakalamang dun sa race na yun.
Oo. Sa ngayon.
Sa ngayon.
7-5 if I'm not mistaken.
So, yun. Kung magna-number 2 tayo, malaki chance na UST yung makakalaban natin.
Sa 2. Oh. Eh, alam mo namang hirap tayo doon. Kaya, gugustuhin ba natin yun? Ewan. Tingnan natin. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Thank you, Zoe. See you
Salamat.
Saturday.
Yung Saturday.
Tingnan natin anong mangyari. Ingat.
Ingat, sirs.
Peace. Bye, guys.
UP
UP
fight.
fight. Twice
Thank
to beat.
you.
Twice to beat tayo. Twice to beat.